As you can see, it's fixing to be a long day. This machine doesn't weigh near what it needs to break this stuff up, so I'm gonna be beating and bouncing and banging all day long. Luckily, when we get over here, we'll have some more fill. I know it looks like a mess right now, it kind of is, but you know, luckily once we get out a little bit, we'll have a couple feet of fill, so like them big rocks over there, I can roll them in the bottom and then cover them up with these smaller ones. Once we get all this filled in, we're gonna basically bring this up to this grade here and then let it toe off over there where that tall grass starts. Once we get done with that, we'll come over here and you can see all these spots we dug up these trees. We dug that trench, put all these trees in it, and I don't know why they planted these trees, but there's probably 5 feet of fill we can put all through here. So whenever we get this area filled up, and then we'll come over here and start bringing this out, and we'll kind of tie these backyards to those backyards. Those are lots. Those are the back of lots there. So this will all just kind of be a nice gentle slope across and down. Hey guys, I just wanted to explain a little bit more of what we're doing here. So in the intro, you saw the excavator loading there on the pond dam and the truck bringing it up here to me. We ended up having to cut that pond out about 7 or 8 feet to get to the right elevation. Whoever did it originally didn't do it right or something, so we're coming back to fix that. And we didn't have anywhere for the material to go. Obviously, it was about, I want to say close to 500 truckloads, 400 to 500 loads that came out of this pond. So this area I'm working at right now is just a common open space. They're going to make it like a dog park and like a little walking path through it and stuff. So we're just building it up to be nice and level, and we're going to cover it up with topsoil at the end. Hey guys, just wanted to read a quick verse here. It's Ephesians 1:7. It says, "In him we have all redemption through his blood, the forgiveness of our trespasses, according to the riches of his grace." I also wanted to talk about something that's really been helping me out here lately. It's a company called Edge Solutions. It's a personal friend of mine that has started an AI business that helps you with your business. You hire him and he goes through your business and finds all the spots where you're losing productivity and possibly profits, and with the use of AI, he'll fix it. It's way cheaper than hiring a full-time employee, and it's super productive. It's not a huge corporation. It's a personal friend of mine that has been for years. If you're interested in that, the link's in the description. Click the link, go to his website, and maybe he can help you like he's been helping me. Thanks guys. Back to the video. So this is what it's looking like right now. As you can see, where I'm just kind of going off of the grade up there, where that up there at that curb, and I'm just letting it slowly fall this way. We'll probably have enough room for 20 right here, 25. I'm gonna just bring it to about right here, almost flat, you know, that elevation slowly falling this way, and then I'm gonna let it slope all the way off, cover all that up to about the edge of those dirt piles there. So like I say, we'll probably have 20 to go in here. So yeah, it's going pretty good. It's not too bad. This rock definitely is annoying, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that's good. got everything spread out here, everything graded like I want it, really. It's graded as best as I can with this rock. So all this is just basically, it's probably gonna have a foot of topsoil, maybe 8 inches across, and it's just kind of sloping. I would say it breaks right here, and part of it goes that way, part of it goes that way, part of it goes that way. It's not perfectly flat, so it's sloping back and forth. But I pretty much got everything done over here till we get to the topsoil, and now we're moving on to this area here. So I mean, another day of hauling tomorrow, and we're gonna be pretty close. Yeah, a good day of hauling. Probably take another 50 loads in here, 60 maybe, and we'll have this filled up, and then we'll be wondering what we're gonna do next. So here's the last load for the day.